Step-by-step guide on how to become a Web3 developer. Web3 development is an exciting and rapidly growing field that focuses on developing decentralized applications, dApps, using blockchain technology. If you're interested in building a career as a Web3 developer, here are some steps you can follow to get started. Understand the basics of blockchain technology. To become a Web3 developer, you'll need to have a good understanding of how blockchain technology works. Learn a programming language. You'll need to know at least one programming language to start building Web3 applications. Learn about DApp development frameworks. There are several frameworks available for developing decentralized applications, such as Truffle, Embark, and dApp Hub. Build your first smart contract. Once you have a good understanding of blockchain technology, a programming language, and a development framework, it's time to start building your first smart contract. Join the Web3 development community. Join online forums, chat groups, and communities dedicated to Web3 development. Attend Web3 development conferences and events. Attend Web3 development conferences and events to network with other developers and learn from industry experts. Build your portfolio. Start building a portfolio of your Web3 development projects. Apply for Web3 development jobs. Once you have a solid portfolio and experience in Web3 development, start applying for Web3 development jobs.